Alright guys, so in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can add a logo to your Wix website. Now, there's two ways to go about this, depending on whether or not you already have your logo. So let's say if you already have your logo, you just have to click on Design Site and hover over to the left corner here and click on the plus icon and click on Image, click on Upload Images, and you can just drag and drop a file here. Or you can even import it from one of the social medias on the left side. So I'm just gonna drop my file. If you don't want to keep the background of your logo, you can just click on Cut Out Background and click on Auto Cut. It will automatically get rid of the background, and you just have to click on Save and Add to Page. As you can see, it has no background, and you can just adjust the size and position it wherever you like. Let's just say here in the middle. Now, let's say you don't have a logo yet, but you would like Wix to create one for you. You have to quit the editor, come back to the main dashboard, and hover over to Site and Mobile App and click on Logo and Brand. And here you have to click on Get Started. Now, Wix will ask you a few questions regarding your website. So let's just say I have a gym. Click Next. Let's say I want a creative and dynamic vibe. Let's click on Next. My business name. Let's just say Golden Gym. Let's just say no pain, no gain. And as you can see, Wix is already creating the logo for you, or actually multiple logos, and you can just choose whichever you like. As you can see, it gave me multiple options to choose from. Now, let's say I like one, but I would like to slightly modify it. I just have to click on it, customize your logo, and let's say I want to change this to red, for example. I can just do that, and I can just change the text to, let's say, golden. I can just click here and adjust the color. Okay, so I modified the logo a little bit more, and now it's up to my liking. So I'm just gonna click on Next. It will ask you to buy a plan, which is around $5, the minimum, but you can just scroll down and click on download a free sample, and you can just click on sample download. Click on it and click download, and there you have it. There's your free logo.